Geography as an integrating discipline. As a discipline, it attempts spatial synthesis. As a discipline, it adopts a holistic approach. Understand the fact that all operating systems in the world are interdependent. The world has become a global village, wherein distances have been reduced by better means of transport and communication due to presence of better technology, can easily monitor natural phenomena as well as changes in socio-economic parameters. It is interlinked with social and natural science that perceives the reality in totality, keeping in mind the spatial perspective. To attempt a holistic integration, a geographer needs to have broad understanding of all related fields. Let us begin by understanding geography's integration with history as a subject. Historical events can be interpreted in geographical terms. In traditional wars, large countries in terms of area have always gained due to spatial distance. Similarly, spatial depth, for instance, vast ocean, have historically protected countries from outside invasion. Geography has played a very significant role in changing the course of history in several parts of the world. For instance, Himalayas have provided protection against invaders since ages, but at the same time, passes have facilitated movement of migrants. India's long coastline has facilitated contact with people from East and Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe. Advancement in navigation technology helped the Europeans in establishing colonies all around the world. Time is a very important part of geography. Hence, all geographical events can be explained in context of time. For example, it can be said that place A is 1500 kilometers from place B, or alternately, it can also be said that place A is 2 hours away or 17 hours away. Why is geography termed as an integrated science? Integrated geography is a branch of geography that describes and explores the spatial aspects of interaction between human individuals, societies, and their natural environments. It requires an understanding of the dynamics of physical geography as well as in which humans have their habitats. Geography is a dynamic subject with data, policies, and terms, as well as its geomorphic features, which change constantly. These changes can be explained with illustrations of some required skills, such as the uses, limitations, and reliability of models, quantitative techniques, the collection of data, including using of internet, making classifications, and the dangers of stereotyping and of making broad generalizations. Geography is also considered with the development of graphical skills such as geographical information system. Quantitative and statistical techniques are incorporated with appropriate points, although each may be relevant elsewhere in many of the physical and human or economic fields. Technology has provided better chances of monitoring natural phenomena as well as the economic and social parameters. Geography as an integrated subject has an interface with numerous natural and social sciences. Geography helps in understanding the reality in totality in its spatial perfection. A geographer is required to have a broad understanding of all related fields and should have the ability to logically integrate them. For example, geography influences historical events. In India, the Himalayas have acted as great barriers and provided protection from the severe cold winds blowing over China. But the passes provide routes to the migrants and invaders from Central Asia. Time is also an integral part of geography. For example, it can be said that place A is 1500 kilometers from place B, or alternately, it can also be said that place A is 2 hours away or 17 hours away. Physical geography and natural sciences. Physical geography deals with the study of processes and patterns in the natural environment like the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and geosphere. Thus, physical geography is linked with several other subjects of natural science such as geomorphology, hydrology, glaciology, biogeography, climatology, meteorology, pedology, paleogeography, coastal geography, oceanography, quaternary sciences, landscape ecology, geometrics, and environmental geography. A geographer should be proficient in both mathematics as well as art. It is critical to know the technique of converting a globe into two-dimensional representation of the Earth for purpose of study. At the same time, locating places on the surface of the Earth involves dealing with latitudes and longitudes. Therefore, in order to deal with cartographic and quantitative techniques, it is essential for the geographer to be skilled in drawing as well as proficient in mathematics, statistics, and econometrics. Even biogeography has a close relationship with botany, zoology, and ecology, as it deals with the geographic patterns of species distribution all over the world. Geography and social sciences. Geography has a close relationship with all the social sciences such as history, sociology, political science, population and settlements, as it deals with the spatial aspect of each discipline. The relationship with history have been discussed earlier. Political science deals with territory, people and sovereignty. Therefore, it involves study of the state as a spatial unit as well as the people and their political behavior. Population geography talks about spatial distribution population. Economics as a subject deals with spatial aspects of production, distribution, exchange and consumption. Thus, geography is interlinked with a variety of subjects both in the fields of natural and social sciences, but despite that has its own methodology. It has an osmotic relationship with other subjects, and herein lies the significance of geography as an interdisciplinary subject. Geographers try to synthesize the data collected from other disciplines over space. Therefore, maps are effectively used to convert tabulated information into visual form that helps in explaining spatial patterns. Several disciplines of science have a close relationship with geography, such as geomorphology, that is geology plus geography, climatology, meteorology plus geography, biogeography, biology plus geography, economic geography, economics plus geography, historical geography, history plus geography, social geography, Sociology plus geography. Regional geography, regional science plus geography. Political geography, political science plus geography. Zoography, zoology plus geography. Phytogeography, botany plus geography. Soil geography, pedology plus geography. Oceanography, hydrology plus geography. Mathematical and astronomical geography, maths and astronomy plus geography. Quantitative techniques in geography, statistics plus geography. Geographical thoughts, geography plus philosophy. Cultural geography, anthropology plus geography.